If you want to know how to connect the Raspberry Pi Pico W to the internet, keep watching this video. To begin, go ahead and press down the boot button on the Raspberry Pi Pico W and then connect it to your PC. Once you connect it to your PC, you can see a pop-up screen showing RPi RP2. At this point, you can release the boot button on the Raspberry Pi Pico W. If you don't see the pop-up page, an alternative way is to go to this PC and open the file manually. Either way, go ahead and delete everything inside it. Then go ahead and copy the MicroPython.uf2 file inside the Raspberry Pi Pico W. The link to this file and also a tutorial on everything I'm saying today can be found in the description. Once the file completely moved or copied to the Raspberry Pi Pico W, you can see it disappears. This means MicroPython is successfully installed on it. Then we are going to use Thonny ID, again a link to it is in the description. As you can see on the bottom it says MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico W. If you don't see this, go to Tools option and then select the Interpreter tab, and from there make sure you choose Raspberry Pi Pico. If this is your first time, go ahead and restart the app. Moving on, this is the code I prepared for you. It is a simple example from our channel to connect your Raspberry Pi Pico W to a defined Wi-Fi network. We will also perform a GET request loading a web page and calling the current time from a time server. As you can see, I wrote everything next to the code, but the most important thing you need to change is line 15 and 16, which is your SSID, Wi-Fi name and your password. Once you change your Wi-Fi name and password, we'll perform two examples. Example 1 is making a GET request from ncomet.com and printing an HTML. In this case, you can change ncomet.com, which is our website, to any other website, or you can choose to keep it. For the second example, we'll get the date and time from a time server. And at the end, you can see I wrote some code for the LED to turn on, because unlike the regular Pico W don't turn on the LED automatically, and we need to write some lines of code. The next thing we have to do is to save the file. So go ahead and click on File, click on Save, click Save to Raspberry Pi and name it as wifi.py, which is Python. At this time our code is ready to run. However, the first time we try it might fail because the Raspberry Pi is still getting connected to the Wi-Fi. As expected, it failed because it was still getting connected to the Wi-Fi. Now we need to run it one more time in order for the code to run successfully. As you can see, the connection on the Raspberry Pi Pico W was successful, and this time we were able to get the HTML file and also the date and time. At this point, let's go ahead and take a look on the Raspberry Pi Pico W itself. As you can see, the light is flashing, and this means we did everything correctly. If you like this video and learned something, please go ahead, give a like and subscribe. Other than this, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.